Have you ever wondered what the constituents of gasoline and fuel are? Today, we'll discuss hydrocarbons and their impact on our health and the environment. So, let's start. First, natural gas and crude oil are mixtures of different hydrocarbons. Hydrocarbon is any chemical compound consisting entirely of hydrogen and carbon. Each hydrocarbon molecule consists of a carbon backbone with hydrogen atoms attached to that backbone. Depending on the properties, hydrocarbons are divided into two groups: aliphatic hydrocarbons and cyclic hydrocarbons. There are different classes of aliphatic compounds: saturated and unsaturated. Saturated hydrocarbons means each carbon is bonded to four other atoms through single covalent bonds. On the other hand, unsaturated hydrocarbons contain either double or triple bonds. A single carbon atom can bond to form long chains or branch chains. In fact, carbon can form limitless different structures. The different types of hydrocarbons include alkanes, alkenes, alkynes, and aromatic hydrocarbons. Alkanes are the simplest hydrocarbons, which contains a single bond of a carbon-carbon. The example of this is methane, which is CH4. Methane is a constituent of LPG or petroleum gas. The next one is alkenes, which contain one or more double bonds between carbon atoms. The most familiar alkenes are ethane and propane, that are most important for the petrochemical industry. Alkynes contain at least one triple bond between carbon atoms. The example of alkynes is ethane, which is C2H2. Lastly, we have the aromatic hydrocarbon, which is a cyclic compound. This contains at least one aromatic ring. This shows that all of the carbon-carbon bonds are equivalent and that each one is intermediate between a single bond and a double bond. One of the best-known aromatic compounds is benzene. It was used as an aftershave lotion and also used to make rubbers, lubricants, dyes, and detergents and pesticides. Carbon dioxide, water, and heat are created when hydrocarbons are combusted. In some cases, hydrocarbons take incomplete combustion, which causes the production of carbon monoxide, which is a toxic gas. This gas, when inhaled, blocks the oxygen from being absorbed in the blood. As a result, suffocation happens. Likewise, hydrocarbons are great sources of pollution, which can result in various respiratory diseases and even death. Furthermore, hydrocarbon emissions are frequently discharged into oceans and lakes, polluting and contaminating these environments. Marine organisms are impacted as a result. Fish and other water species may face extinction.